our use of AI and by applying machine learning has always been embedded in our predictions. Now we're moving into the space of talking about optimization. The predictions have always had this machine learning. Our use of AI and by applying machine learning has always been embedded in our predictions. Now we're moving into the space of talking about optimization. And by using the latest optimization methods, many of which are rooted in AI approaches and also applied in those areas, we're trying to really optimize this function of how do we reduce the time that folks are living with lead, considering that we understand there are different costs for different actions and different kinds of activities. We understand there's different factors that put people at different levels of risk when it comes to health and welfare. And we understand that some of those costs are prohibitive, and some of those costs we can kind of work within a budget. So the AI that goes into that optimization is really a mixture of prediction and these kind of classic operations research and computer science methods of dealing with some limited resource and trying to squeeze as much juice out of it as possible. One exciting thing is that we also are beginning to use generative AI. And I think today, when a lot of people think about AI, they're really just going to the generative AI. There's a lot more to it that we are using. And also we're beginning to talk about how we can allow and open up generative AI to our customers so that they can just describe what they want and what kinds of clusters of service lines and blocks that they want that are going to help them solve their problem, and how we can take that as input into our broader optimization.